Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Wireshark latest stable release, that is 4.6.8 on Windows operating systems. Okay, first go to Wireshark official website and download. It is wireshark.org. Click on download or click on download now. See here the latest stable release at the time of making this video is 4.6.8. Click on this Windows x64 installer. Then select the location to save this file. Click on save. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 94 megabytes. Now click on this exe file. Click on next. This is the license agreement. Just click on notate. Click on next. Now we have to select the components. By default it has selected these three components. If you want to select all, just select the checkbox. Okay. Then click on next. Create shortcuts. Next, this is the installation directory. If you want some other, click on browse and select the location. I'm okay with the default one. Click on next. If you want to install npcap, select the checkbox. Then click on next. If you want to install this USB pcap, select it and click on next. Install. It is installing. This is for npcap. Select this. I agree. Install. Next. This is for USB cap. Installation completed. Click on next. Your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of Wireshark. I want to manually reboot later. Click on finish. Now go to all applications. Then see here we have the Wireshark application. Click on it to open. Now we can select the target to capture the packets. Just you need to click on this start capturing packets. Okay, we have different options. You can go through the documentation and you can practice. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Wireshark latest stable release, that is 4.6.8 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.